How to fix green text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Messages. Here, make sure that the iMessage toggle is turned on as shown. If it is already enabled, turn it off, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can help reactivate the service with Apple servers. Go back to the main settings page and tap on General. From the General Settings page, scroll all the way down to find and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode to confirm this action. Following these steps, you can easily fix green text messages issue on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.